Good morning. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are making kebab today, homemade kebab. So I'm slicing the beef right now for the kebab. I've already sliced some. Those are the ingredients that I will be using for the kebab. You can as well buy already sliced beef if you want. If you don't want to go through slicing of beef. And we will also have another type of it to show you. That will be sometime next month by the special grace of God. It's almost Christmas, people. How are you preparing for Christmas? Please help us share this video. So I will just keep cutting. Same thing. So this one will be enough for the amount I want to prepare today. The spices I will be using to mix the beef. This one is cinnamon, black pepper, curry, Maggi, this salt, ginger powder, paprika, and garlic powder. So I will mix all that together. This is red wine vinegar. And this one is yogurt. You will mix all together properly. Put them in the fridge at least 3 hours. Yeah. And if you don't have time to put it in the fridge for 3 hours, you can still make yours as soon as possible. It will be better if you sleep, if the ingredients sleep on it very well. Yeah, so I will set this one aside and start cutting the rest. So this is the things I will be putting inside. So if you have tomatoes, you can use, or if you like tomatoes on it, you can use. But this, my children do not like tomatoes inside, so we are using this pepper to replace the tomatoes. This is pickle, and this sliced olive. I will mix all these ones together. This is the seasoning I'm using. So I'll be adding a little bit pepper and salt. Little bit salt, and this is a black pepper. Just use a little bit one too. Now we'll use olive oil. Use it to mix all the veggies together. That's what I will be putting inside the kebab. We need a little bit more olive oil. So this is the beef we marinate. So I'm going to be putting it inside the pot. No oil. We're not frying it or doing it with oil. We're just keep cooking like that until it's done. Okay. It's dried. I will just leave it for 1 more minute for all these little. It's dry, shiny. You can see how shiny it is. It is that because of the yogurt and the wine, every other thing we use inside. Yes, just 1 more minute. We'll take it out. That's the mayonnaise I'm using. Yes. You can use bread. You can see we already prepped those kind of bread down too. So you just take wrap another one. You are not doing This is the end of today. I plan to use the bread, the white bread. I plan to use the white bread, and I asked my baby to help me to cut the bread. So she cut it just right direct to the end. So I can't, I want her to cut it like this. So she just do them like that. So I have no other choice just to use this stripe to do it. Well, anyway, both of them are good. I didn't plan for wrapping, but anyway, yeah, it come out well. Thank you, and Christmas is coming. Please drive safe and be good. We'll see you next week by grace of God. Thank you.